Hey, it's Jimmy here with True Homes, and we're about to take a tour of the Hudson 2013. It's a contemporary lifestyle floor plan by True Homes. Let's go on inside and take a look. I hope you enjoyed this tour of the Hudson 2013. It's a 2,200 square foot home, 3 beds, 2.5 baths, featuring a study on the main floor, a beautiful rocking chair front porch, and a drop zone, and is just an all-around great home. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions about this particular floor plan or any others, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks a lot.